Hello students, how are you? I hope you are doing good bachcho. So today we are going to start new chapter, new topic which is related to one word for many. So let's get started bachcho. So brevity they say is the soul of wit. That is to say in order to write well, we must know how to use the minimum number of words to express the maximum number of thoughts. This becomes easy if our vocabulary includes such words whereby one word stands for many. For example, यहाँ पर दिया गया है बच्चों, being in a fix about choosing between two alternatives can be expressed in short as being in a dilemma. तो बच्चों यहाँ पर एक बड़े सेंटेंस के लिए एक छोटा सा वर्ड दिया है, तो यही कहलाता है वन वर्ड फॉर मैनी। मीन्स बहुत सारा एक सेंटेंस के लिए या काफ़ी वर्ड्स के लिए जब सिर्फ हम एक सिंगल वर्ड का यूज़ करते हैं तो उसी से रिलेटेड ये चैप्टर है, जैसा कि आपने एग्जाम्पल्स में पढ़ा। तो यहाँ पर देख लेते हैं बच्चों, एक्सरसाइज भी दी गई है, वो भी आप साथ साथ कंप्लीट करते रहेंगे। नेक्स्ट है बच्चों यहाँ पर स्कूल डेज से रिलेटेड ये प्यारा सा एक छोटा सा पैराग्राफ, तो उसको भी रीड आउट कर लेते हैं। रीड द फॉलोइंग पैसेज एंड आंसर द क्वेश्चन फॉलो। तो यहाँ पर बच्चों इसको रीड आउट करते हैं। यहाँ पर क्वेश्चंस भी दिए गए हैं बच्चों पैराग्राफ से रिलेटेड, वो भी जरूर करेंगे। On my first day of high school, my parents and I joined numerous other parents and new pupils in the whole to participate in the school's orientations program. This was done for all new pupils in order to get them acquainted with their new environment. There was much excitement among the bunch of newcomers who started in Eve at the senior and more mature looking peoples walking about confidently in the school. We wished we were more self-assured like they were, but we were feeling far from it. After a series of talks of the principal and various departments heads to welcome and introduce us to our school, we parted from our parents and went to our respective classes. We looked around nervously. Everything seemed too new and strange to us. Even the teachers looked sterner and less approachable than our primary school's teacher. A couple of girls gulped down their tears, but most of us put up a brave front, although we felt uncertain and anxious inside. In our class, we smiled awkwardly at one another. We felt too shy to strike up a conversation with anyone. We were so quiet that our class teachers had to play a few icebreakers games with us to ease our feelings. After that, we felt more relaxed. As the day went by, we met our teachers for each specific subject. We were introduced to a new subjects like geography, history and economics. We did not realize then that there would be so much more to study during the examination period. During recess, we felt too mature to be playing in high school. Instead, we sat around and talked about school, fashion items and other grown-up things. तो ये था पैराग्राफ बच्चों, एक प्यारा सा पैसेज, तो इसी के बेस पर पढ़ेंगे और यहाँ पर दिए गए बच्चों इससे रिलेटेड क्वेश्चंस भी वो भी आप खुद से सॉर्ट आउट करेंगे। तो याद रखेंगे बच्चों, चैप्टर के अंदर जितने भी एक्सरसाइज है उनको भी खुद से कंप्लीट करते रहेंगे।